out here because Triple R hasn't gotten here yet, and he texted me and told me, can I take his place to beat up Mach Azul? So that's what I'm going to do.
He's not here today.
Well, no Triple R yet, ladies and gentlemen. Something for him is Joezer the Bulldozer. And here he is, 60 days sober. Azul. I know he's drunk.
Go get him.
60 days sober. You ain't got a drop on.
You sure? Breath. I think he's drunk.
We need to find
Get them! Get them!
Yeah, alcohol. We need to find somebody who got
It's not bad, Brad. He is a beaner.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, on? Give me the bell.
Let's go, Joezer!
Come on, guys, get to the corner. Come on.
Really?
Hold, please.
I didn't even throw him hard. He's drunk.
Let's go, Joezer! Let's do something!
Well, if you
Wait.
guys actually say something, maybe I'll do something spectacular.
Bring it!
Come on.
Do it!
Yeah, why do you want to? There's only two. What is this?
Those look like women's sweatpants.
Don't do that, Joezer!
Not spectacular.
There goes the
Out of the way, Red!
He's holding up for dear life. Oh, he's gone.
Yeah! Come on, Red!
All right.
It's over. He's
What?
disqualified.
Who?
That
What?
guy right there. Disqualified. That's it.
What? Come on, Red! Get up and come out!
Splash him, Joe.
He took enough.
Catch your breath there.
Catch your breath. Thanks for the music, guys.